Which there's the river.
No dirt, Doodle. Of course there's a river. That's why we gotta cross the river.
Cheating on the devil. If it was up, we'd cross it. But it's down.
How are we going to cross this river? Anyone?
It ain't up.
Anyone? Bueller? Bueller. Anyone?
There are fishes in this river. You're gonna use your mule.
You ain't gonna use my mule. I ain't letting one of my mules go in that river.
Ain't no problem. We're just gonna use your mule.
Why? It ain't my dad.
Your mule.
My mule ain't going in that river.
Just one mule.
Besides, what's one mule gonna help?
Gonna help plenty.
Oh, just shut your pie hole and you take Paul and Barman and Doodle and you just go across that bridge and me and Cash will figure it out. Oh, God.
Oh, during them bridges.
Wow. Follow me, y'all.
Cash, get up and help. Get up. Jewel, go get Cash's tools.
Cash,
Go
are you
river.
sick? Get my tools.
Go get her tools.
Get them.
Get them. What you doing down there?
Cash, are you sick?
We gonna get some cement on ya. You feeling good. You feeling good.
Very
Good enough to dance. Cash, there's something I need to tell you. Your name ain't Cash. It's Kesha.
And the lights tick-tock on the clock, but the party don't stop,
Look at that baby.
A fish. You are a fish.
No.
You were born as a fish.